Today I am reviewing the MINIX NEO J51-C8 Max mini computer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the core specs, because what's inside truly matters. This mini PC comes pre-configured with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD. And that's not just any SSD. It's fast, responsive, and perfect for daily use. You'll be pleased with how quickly Windows 11 Pro boots up, how snappy applications feel, and how little time you'll spend waiting. Whether you're browsing the web, managing spreadsheets, or editing documents, performance is smooth and consistent. And yes, Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, so you're ready to go right out of the box. There's no tedious setup, no installation hassle. Just plug in a keyboard, mouse, and monitor, and you're in business within minutes. The Intel Celeron processor may not sound exciting on paper, but don't let that fool you. With speeds up to 2.9 GHz, it handles everyday workloads like a champ. Thanks to Intel UHD graphics, you also get triple display output, supporting up to 3 4K monitors at 60 Hz simultaneously. This is a game changer for productivity setups, stock traders, code developers, and multitaskers who live across multiple screens. Now, a quick note. The USB-C port on this unit supports video output up to 4K at 60 Hz, but it does not carry audio, something to keep in mind if you're planning on using a single cable solution. That said, the video output quality is sharp and vivid, making it ideal for 4K content or detailed presentations. Where the NEO J51-C8 Max really shines is in its networking and I/O options. You get dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, making it perfect for scenarios where fast and reliable wired connections are essential. Whether it's office deployments, network-attached storage access, or industrial-grade setups, this kind of connectivity is a rarity in many PCs at this price point. Also included are USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, giving you speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. Great for transferring large files or connecting high-speed external drives. And the USB-C port also supports data transfer, power input, and video output, adding a layer of versatility to the already capable system. A standard 12 VDC adapter is included, but can also be powered by USB-C if needed. As for expandability, you're not locked in. There are 2 SODIMM slots for memory upgrades, supporting up to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM in total. Storage-wise, the M.2 2280 slot supports SATA drives up to 2 TB. That means you can easily upgrade the system if your needs grow over time. The build quality? Excellent. The aluminum chassis feels premium and industrial, and it includes a VESA mount, allowing you to attach the device to the back of a monitor for a clutter-free desktop. It's compact, silent, and designed for 24/7 operation. Even under high-stress conditions, IT also supports PXE boot and RDC wake up, which are especially useful in enterprise and IT deployment scenarios. And with Ubuntu 20.04 compatibility, you're not limited to just Windows. You can easily switch to a Linux environment if that's your preference. User feedback is solid too, with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Customers appreciate the stability, build quality, and low noise operation. It may not be a gaming rig, but for productivity and business use, it's a quiet workhorse that rarely disappoints. In conclusion, the MINIX NEO J51-C8 Max isn't just a mini computer. It's a full-featured PC in a compact, fanless design. It's ideal for home users who want quiet performance, as well as commercial environments where space, reliability, and networking flexibility matter. You get great out-of-the-box value with upgrade potential and pro-level connectivity in a footprint smaller than a paperback book. If you're looking for a dependable mini PC that delivers on both performance and practicality, the NEO J51-C8 Max absolutely deserves your attention.